You want to do this? Follow me. Yo, you can call me anything. I'm just another 12th grader like you, trying to earn some extra buck through side hustles. First, make a marker on the area you want to transition into. Then take a snapshot and import it into Photoshop. Separate all the element like the sidewalk, road, and the buildings. Add a drop shadow to all 3 cutouts and export them separately as PNG. Import all 3 of them into Premiere. Now remember, the sidewalk layer should be above the other 2 layers, and the building layer should be below the other 2 layers. Now animate them into the scene. If you don't know how to do it smoothly, just copy me. After animating all 3 of them, it should look like this. Now trim away the excess part till the marker we made. Here comes the sponsor, A-Juice, who make plugins, not juice. A-Juice is having a 99% discount on their I Want It All bundle, where you can get transitions like these and much more. They also have a free pack for people like me. You can use my coupon code 7MAY on their product to get in 10% off. The link is in the description. Well, you already have the transition, but you can add some lens flares and sound effect to make it even more seamless. Well then, bye-bye baby B = 39 spaywebape02 90,734 Q2// W65132 JADBAQ Q32As EKL